What an amazing song by Bob Dylan, a guy known mostly for his vocal talents, not his songwriting. No, I'm just kidding around. I'm Steve, hope you're doing amazing, and I'm gonna teach you this thing in under 3 minutes, because 2 minutes is like scientifically impossible. All right, I've got my capo on the 7th fret, way up on the 7th fret, and then you play a G major chord. So let me give you the chords first, then I'll show you some of the picking patterns and those cool little walk downs. So it goes G major, how many C major roads must a D major man walk down back to G? G major before you call C major him a man, G major. And it goes again, how many C must a G before, as G major, he see in the sand, and it does again, and how many C major must the cannonballs fly, D major, G, before, as G, forever, C major, band, G. And then he goes to the chorus, the answer, C major, my friend, D major, is G major blowing in the C major. The C is D in the G, And so the picking pattern though is what makes it beautiful, plus this ukulele kind of sound way up here. Low, so low, like that. And what you do is you go low, C, and now remove this finger from the C and put this finger on the 9th fret of that A string, like that. So you go from here, and that doesn't sound like that good right there, but when you do it as a little walk down, you go real quickly and then to D major. So that's pretty cool. So it goes back to G. And now when it goes into the chorus, you know, you can go like this. The answer, my friend, is blowing, like that. So you go, this time you're playing a G major, and you've already got this finger on the 9th fret of the A string. So you sort of leave it there and walk it from the low. So all I did was play a G chord and work my way up to the C chord right there. And that's it, Blowin' in the Wind. What an amazing song. I'd love to know how you did. Let me know in the comments, and you can pause and rewind if you need to. This was crazy fast, but if you get it, it's a blast to play. All right, I'll see you around for some more 3-minute guitar lessons with, me, Steve. Later.